Well, I got a knocking noise today in my new 2012 5.0 Mustang. I've always used synthetic 520 Amsoil, and then last oil change I switched to their new Dominator 520. And yesterday I started to get a knock, and I went to the Ford and he said change my oil, so I changed the oil, and I was only able to fill up, I only got three and a half quarts out of my damn old oil. My old Dominator oil I dumped back in here because it didn't look right, and I've only got 3 quarts full. So what the fuck happened to the other 4 quarts? Did it burn up? What the hell happened? I have no leaks. My car is garage stored. I have no obvious oil wet stains nowhere. I have no clue where it's at. There's no leakage. My oil lights, nothing in my car's come on. I think it done ruined my damn engine. You can hear it. Clear.